high energy, concerned. You're stressed. You're anxious. Every day it feels like the world is throwing punches you can't block. You're waiting for things to finally feel calm, but they never do. What if I told you that true calm, unbreakable calm, is not about avoiding chaos but learning to thrive within it? Is that a solution perfected over 2,000 years ago, the key? We're talking about Stoicism. Forget what you think you know. It's not about being a robot. It's about being a warrior of the mind. It's the philosophy that shaped emperors like Marcus Aurelius and slaves like Epictetus. They faced wars, plagues, and exile, yet found a way to maintain inner peace. The problem isn't the world around you. The problem is your reaction to it. And Stoicism gives you the map to fix that reaction. In the next 10 minutes, I'm giving you the 5 simple steps that will let you apply this ancient wisdom immediately. But first, let me tell you why I took this path. For years, I chased external success, a better job, more money, a certain status. And every time I got close, a setback would knock me down. A project failed, a relationship ended, or I just couldn't handle the pressure. I was constantly reactive, a slave to my circumstances. I'd spend hours worrying about things I simply couldn't change, draining my energy for things I could. Then, I discovered the works of Seneca. The Stoics made me realize that my misery wasn't caused by the outside world, but by my judgment of it. Learning to separate those two spheres changed everything. It gave me a foundation of rock instead of shifting sand. And that foundation starts with one key concept. The heart of Stoicism is the dichotomy of control. It's the most important lesson you will ever learn. There are things in the world that are up to us and things that are not up to us. Up to us, our opinions, our impulses, our goals, and most importantly, our response to events. Not up to us, our body, property, reputation, and the actions of others. Trying to control the second list is the definition of suffering. When you internalize this, you gain immense power. You stop wasting energy wrestling with things you can't win against, and you pour all your focus into the only thing that matters, your inner character and your actions. This is where the practice begins. As Marcus Aurelius said, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. The 5 simple steps. Step 1, morning priming, premeditatio malorum. The Stoics didn't tend to start their day with coffee and social media. They prepared for adversity. Before you leave the house, spend 2 minutes asking, what challenges might I face today? A difficult meeting, a rude driver. By visualizing potential problems, you rob them of their power to surprise and upset you. Step 2, practice negative visualization, premeditation of evils. This sounds dark, but it builds gratitude. Take a moment to imagine losing the things you value, your health, your home, or a loved one. Seneca called this the premeditation of evils. When you stop taking your blessings for granted, you realize how rich you already are. Everything you have is on loan. Step 3, the view from above, cosmic perspective. When a small problem feels overwhelming, zoom out. Imagine your troubles from a cosmic perspective. Your frustration over a late delivery or an argument is tiny in the scope of a whole planet, a whole universe. This exercise instantly shifts your focus from your small ego to your role in the bigger picture. It's deeply humbling and instantly calming. Step 4, journaling your judgments, daily reflection. The Stoics were relentless journalers. Every evening, review your day. Don't just list what happened. List your judgments. My coworker was rude. That's the event. I chose to feel angry and ruined my afternoon. That's the judgment. By separating the two, you see that you are the author of your own emotional state. Step 5, embrace amor fati, love your fate. This is the advanced level. It means saying yes to everything that happens, not because it's good, but because it's an opportunity for virtue. The obstacle is the way. Every setback is a chance to practice patience, courage, or resilience. Don't just endure it, love it. These 5 steps, Morning priming, negative visualization, the view from above, journaling your judgments, and amor fati are your training ground. They turn philosophy into a practical tool you can use every single day. Summary. So, to recap, Stoicism is not about avoiding feeling. It's about making your mind your fortress. You decide what gets in and what stays out. Your external conditions don't define your happiness. Your inner response does. The next time you feel stress or anger, remember the dichotomy of control. Stop trying.